I'm so slow. It didn't work. What's up, fashionistas? I'm Ariel. Welcome to my channel, Fashion at Ari, where we do a lot of fashion and sewing. So we are going to be working on some sewing hacks. I love seeing these videos on TikTok and Instagram, wherever. And they make these hacks look so easy. I picked out some good ones and I feel like these hacks would really work and I really want to test them today for you guys. So let's see if these hacks work, and then now we can implement them into our sewing routines. So let's get into it. I got myself some thread. Oh my gosh, and I was about to knot it how I usually knot it, but let's see what he says to do.
Wrap it around the end of the needle.
Editing Ari here. Please ignore and don't judge my glasses. My glasses fall off my face when they sit on my earlobe, so I have to put them like this. I am getting new glasses soon, so please ignore that. Hold up, I'm so slow. Wrapping it around. Just start sewing. And then he just slid it down. You see? It didn't work. Let's try this again. Okay, this is what he did. So you wrap it like this. Ooh. So I just tried that 3 times. That did not work for me. I don't know if because I'm nervous because I'm filming. So if it's worked for you and this is a hack that you use, let me know. I am really excited about this hack because y'all know I love pleats. This is the fork pleat hack where we don't have to measure. And I don't measure anyways because I create my pleats on my dress form. But this is going to be a great hack if you don't have a dress form and you don't want to do math. So, well, hopefully it works. We've already failed once, so let's see.
Cleaning things up with this fork. I don't want to do any math, so I'm making things up with this fork. Is up with this fork. I don't want to do any math, so I'm making things up with this fork.
Okay. Okay, you guys. Okay. I'm so excited, you guys. OMG. It's still a little like, oh my gosh, so extra. Like, I don't know if this would be a hack for me. But I mean, it's working. Like, it's really working. I'm gonna pleat this whole thing so I can show y'all. We have like a pleated. I wish I did like a skirt or something. We have pleats. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. So yes, this is a good hack. For this one, we're going to need an iron. Let me see. Oh, here. I actually have a bias tape maker, so I usually use that when I'm making bias tape. I think it did like this. Okay. Mine is not even all the way through, but I do like this hack. I think it works. So this is definitely a good hack. All right, next one. All right, you guys, this is so much fun. Let's get into the next one. Okay, so while we are on the bias tape, there is this video I saw about an edge foot. This is an edge foot. It'll help us to, yes, it'll help us to keep keep sewing a straight line. Oh, that's not close enough. Okay. Yeah, I wanted something, I think this is the right one. But this will help us sew a straight line. I wanted one that's really on the edge so I could do top stitches. So yeah, but I think this is great if you have trouble with sewing straight lines. Let's see if this works. Let's see. See, it's not. Let me see. Yeah, see how that went from. Let's try this again. This is semi a good hack. I definitely had to keep the fabric. I had to hold it on the end and on both ends just to keep the fabric straight. It's not like the fabric stayed straight on its own. So I don't really know if this is not what I had in mind. But I mean, it did sew a straight stitch. But I could have done this without the foot. But if you're a beginner, I think that's a really good tool, but you still have to hold your fabric on both ends to keep it straight because it does move. So this hack may be a little silly and kind of dumb on my end because I never knew, and this tool comes in your sewing machine little kit. Girl, I can't even get it open. I never knew that this, I hope you can see it, is a needle threader. What, am I saying that right? Yeah, is a needle threader. So if you have trouble threading your sewing needle, this is what that's for. And I threw it away, so that's why I had to order this whole kit on Amazon. I just needed one of these, and you have no choice but to get like a bunch of them. So now I have a bunch of needle threaders. So let's use this because I never knew that that's what this was for. So, silly me. This is another one of those presser foots to add to your machine. I did get this a while ago and I have used this. So, but I'm going to show you because when I got for this, like bamboozled, not bamboozled because it does work, spoiler alert. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you guys and I'm going to let you know my pros and cons. From the video, you see how easy and seamless that fabric went through the roller. I kept having to adjust my fabric, but my seam is not straight and my hem is uneven. In all the videos that you watch that demonstrate this tool, they are using a straight piece of fabric. I tried to do this on a dress and pants. If you have a seam in between the strip of fabric, it is gonna bundle up and get stuck, so it's not gonna go all the way through. So that's why I feel like this tool is not really that great, you know. If you're doing like scarves or like anything that doesn't have like a seam, just like a straight stitch or something, then I feel like this would be a good tool. And if once you get the handle of it, because for me it's just wobbly and I can't keep a straight stitch with this. So for me, this is not a good hack, but if you use this tool, let me know. And if it works for you, I'm happy for you, sis. Okay, that's a wrap, you guys. The sun is like completely going down now. I hope that you guys enjoyed that video. Please let me know which hack was your favorite, which hacks you'll be using. I already know I'm going to be using the bias tape hack, and also the fork pleat hack was pretty cool. But yeah, I enjoyed doing this. Let me know if there's other hacks that you want me to try, and let me know if you enjoyed this. And until next time, you guys, bye.